The Mazda Skyactiv-X engine is often presented as a breakthrough in internal combustion technology, a 2.0-liter gasoline engine using spark-controlled compression ignition (SPCCI) to blend diesel-like efficiency with petrol smoothness. In practice, it is one of the most advanced production engines ever built, but also one of the most misunderstood. While it delivers impressive fuel economy and refinement in ideal conditions, real-world ownership reveals a different side. Here is a structured breakdown of the less discussed disadvantages and weak points of the Skyactiv-X. Complex combustion strategy, consistent driving feel. The biggest hidden drawback is not mechanical failure. It is how the engine behaves during mode transitions. The Skyactiv-X constantly switches between SPCCI, compression ignition mode, conventional spark ignition mode. These transitions are not always seamless. In real-world conditions, such as sudden throttle input, steep hills, cold weather, stop-and-go traffic, the engine may feel slightly delayed or uneven. Some drivers describe it as a brief hesitation or flat spot when the system changes combustion modes. This is not a defect, but a limitation of controlling a near-diesel combustion process inside a gasoline engine. Unlike conventional Skyactiv-G engines, the Skyactiv-X is far more dependent on ideal operating conditions. Key weaknesses include noticeable drop in smoothness on low-quality fuel, stronger reliance on 95 to 98 RON fuel for optimal SPCCI operation, reduced efficiency benefit in short trips or cold starts. Reports and technical analyses show that the engine can revert to standard spark ignition more often than expected when conditions are not ideal, reducing its advertised efficiency advantage. One of the most common complaints is cold start inconsistency. Because SPCCI relies on precise pressure, temperature, and mixture control, early operation can be less stable. Reported issues include rough idle shortly after startup, longer warm-up phase before smooth operation, occasional hesitation in very cold climates. This is a direct consequence of how compression ignition behaves when combustion conditions are not fully stabilized. Unlike traditional engines, Skyactiv-X performance is heavily controlled by software logic. This creates three hidden drawbacks. ECU updates can noticeably change engine behavior. Small calibration issues may cause hesitation or jerking. Diagnostic sensitivity leads to occasional warning lights or sensor-related alerts. Owners and workshops have noted that early versions were not fully optimized. In other words, the engine is as much a software product as a mechanical one. On paper, Skyactiv-X promises better efficiency, diesel-like torque, lower emissions. However, in real driving conditions, the benefits can feel modest because SPCCI is only active in partial load conditions under hard acceleration. It behaves like a regular gasoline engine. Power output is not significantly higher than standard 2.0 engines. This leads to a common criticism. The complexity is high, but the performance payoff is relatively small. While not a widespread failure-prone engine, the Skyactiv-X has a downside in long-term service complexity. Potential concerns: highly specialized components, air supply system, sensors, ISG mild hybrid system, limited number of technicians experienced with SPCCI, higher repair costs if failures occur outside warranty. Even minor issues require diagnostic expertise that not all workshops have. The 24-volt system with integrated starter generator ISG introduces belt wear issues, tensioner noise complaints, additional electrical load complexity. Although not critical failures, they add another subsystem that can generate faults or noise over time. The Mazda Skyactiv-X is not a bad engine. It is an engineering experiment pushed very close to production limits. Its biggest weaknesses are not catastrophic failures, but system complexity, sensitivity, and inconsistency outside ideal conditions. In simple terms, when conditions are perfect, it feels advanced, efficient, and smooth. When conditions are not perfect, it behaves like a complicated engine trying too hard to be two engines at once. For enthusiasts, it is a fascinating piece of technology. For everyday drivers expecting simplicity, it can feel unnecessarily complex for the gains it delivers.